This is where a pair of big gazebos used to be. A little hunter for older thing. Thank you for visiting. And they have this Armitage that looks like it's been sitting here for a long time. Let's see if I can try to. Oh, it actually works. Thank you for visiting my coffee shop. This one's been here for a while. Yeah, I gotta get this thing turned on. They gotta get some new blades for this thing. And new brackets, technically. Thank you for visiting my coffee shop. Hold on, man. You just told me off. I think it does work on me. It's really slow. Yeah, there used to be a wall was bad. We used to have a gazebo here, and this place was really bent. The gazebo second gen. Oh gosh. Yeah, this thing has been on before. Yeah, there's the little hunter over here. It's like a hunter builder. As the chains just kind of get stuck there. Yeah, depending on the other side's on. See, I think I should do this one. I can't, because there's on. I'm gonna leave this on medium. Runs well. Let me feel the. Run off some airflow here. Let's leave it on medium.